Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab M8 3rd generation, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluid. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Now get this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, open it. In order to mute the music, tap on the bottom left corner right away after opening your app. Now click on the bottom right one on those three lines and choose Settings at the top. Finally, select I accept in First Things First pop-up and check out all of those options. When you're ready, tap on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and tap on the best option for you. In my case, home screen only. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!